Hey guys, it's me, Bubbleisha, the Muppet Babies fan here, and today I'm gonna make a rant on Toilet Flush Precure 2. To anyone who likes this sequel, I can handle your opinion. Anyways, enjoy. Toilet Flush Precure 2? No, more like Stupid Flush Crappy Cure 0. Oh my god. This this sequel sucks. This this anime is a sequel to Toilet Flush Precure, which was bad enough. This show involves 7 characters and they like to go on awful adventures. Cure Potty is stupid. Cure Vor is dumb. Cure Heat is annoying. Cure Inflation is annoying. Cure Bikini is a huge crybaby. Cure Starve is dumb. She looks like a gacha heat. And Cure Diarrhea is also a huge crybaby. The animation is dumb. The characters are stupid, and the whole show is bad. I hope it gets cancelled. Do you know who? I don't know who likes this show, but do you know who hates it? Starshine Stacy, me, and Rainbow Kate. We both hate that show so much with a burning passion. So screw Toilet Flush Precure 2. And screw the original Toilet Flush Precure. Island Mermaid's Precure is so many times better than Toilet Flush Precure 2. And the rant.